Hey guys, it's your boy, and anyway, I got exciting news. Exciting news. I don't know why I said it's your boy because you've never seen me before. The first video on the channel, but my channel is gonna be about like it's gonna be about just random things but I got exciting news. Just saying, guys. It's that my motorcycle currently. I have a GB Moto red flame, and it's a 50cc. It has no suspension. I look like a ball when I ride it because it's tiny. But I'm pumped for something. Starting, I think tomorrow, I'm gonna get my dirt bike, and it's 90ccs. And it has suspension. It's the size of a regular bike I ride. So it's easier to ride. It's bigger, obviously. And it's actually basically rideable. And anyway, I'm gonna show you my current one. Anyway, guys, this is my first motorcycle. It's a 50cc GB Moto Red Flame. Has a 22-mile fuel tank, and 50ccs. There's a glimpse at the engine. Well, anyway, the dirt bike I'm gonna get here in a few days, it's actually gonna be 3 times the size. Seriously.
Needed that for a minute.
I did. Seriously, it's huge.